Now, you might have to beat the living mullah out of this to get this out around here. Okay, I've done that. I've been really giving it some, and it seems a scary thing to do, but what happens is the brake shoes don't want to, can you see that? The brake shoes don't want to slide away. So there you go, see? So that came off. As you can see here, there's a lot of dust in there. And I think the bearing's alright, but at this point, if you can buy a bearing and replace it at the same time, I mean, it's logical, isn't it? You got it all off. I've forgotten to do that, so I'm just going to change the brakes today. But they are getting a bit low. Alright. So you pinch these off next. I've just done that one. Get one of these, pinch them off. Alright, now that should all come off. Remember, this one's quite unusual, but I think this is because it's a race model, and it's more complicated, but, or it's more elaborate, but they're much simpler than that normally. And on the other models, this bit here is on that side. Okay, so yeah, you've missed a bit there. It was a pain in the neck, but this here, it's not going to be much use me showing you this, but this here, you pull that back, that spring back, with a pair of long nose pliers to, you see how you do that, get that back. I can't do it with one hand really. You pull that back to get some space to unhook it from here, because it's hooked into there, and that's how you get that unhooked.